How to make a GIF in CapCut step by step. Making a GIF in CapCut is actually a simple process, but you just have to follow some guidelines. That is to make sure that the video that or anything that you're trying to convert is actually applicable for GIF, which means it should just be a 3 to 4 seconds long video and nothing more than that. So once you have the GIF ready, which you want to export as a GIF within CapCut, all you have to do is normally as you would export a video, you want to click the export icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Now this way you would normally be able to export a video, but since we're trying to convert into a GIF, you can see this option that says export GIF. You simply have to check this option and now you can choose a resolution for your GIF, and once done you can also just hit the export button and your video will be converted to a GIF. This way you'll be able to make a GIF on CapCut. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.